today I discuss about infinite integral. So today I discuss about infinite integral. Infinite integral. Isumpay niya tong sa kabidyo. So example, integral of x raised to 3 minus 4x over 2 x raised to 4 to negative 8x squared plus 16. So atong dx is equal to 1 over 2. Tapos then siyang ikuan 1 over 2 1 half integral of kani copy na to ng kuan x over 3 x raised to 3 plus 4x 2 over 2 x raised to 4 x raised to 4 minus 8x squared plus 16 copy gapon nato. So equals to 1 half raised to u 1 half 1 over 4 du. Tapos atong u is equal to x squared x raised to 4 minus x squared plus 16. Tapos du over dx is equal to ato siyang ikuan 4x raised to 3 minus 16x. Tapos is equal to 1 half over 1 over 4. Tapos u, ang u na to is u raised to 1 half plus 1 over 1 half plus 1. Tapos equals to 1/8 kay ato man siyang i-plus, so 1/8. Tapos na 1/8 ato siyang times day atong siyang i-times 2 times 4 equals to 8 to 1 times 1 1. Tapos atong u kay mahimo na siyang u raised to 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Tapos diri na ta sa du over 4. So du over 4 is equal to copy lang gyapon nato 4x raised to 3 minus 16 dx over 4. Kay du man nato kay kani atong atong du is 4x raised to 3 minus 16x. So ato siyang i-copy kay mamay atong du. Tapos ang atong dx is 4. So it's equal to 1/8 to 3 to u raised to 3 2 is equal to 2 to 24 u. Tapos 3 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2u to 3 over 2. So answer is 1 over 12 minus 2x raised to 4 minus 8x squared plus 16 raised to 3 over 2 plus c. So maning final answer.